Okay, so I ran around like a crazy maniac looking for this O-ring. Where's the O-ring and all the packaging? Oh my god, it didn't come with an O-ring. There's no freaking O-ring for this thing. I'm running around inside the apartment, everything. Duh. The O-ring's in this thing here. I don't know what happened here. Maybe it just heat expanded it or something. Holy shit, there it goes. Trashed. No, this is a new one. And after like putting everything away and going inside saying I give up, can't find no stinking O-ring. Looked closer like I should have done. And found the O-ring. There it is, right in there. All nice and pretty. And, okay, not only that, but let me turn this light on for you. No. Just get down. I cleaned this area, I sanded it with my little trusty, all-purpose sanding grid sander thingy. Anyway, now I'm gonna reinstall. That was super happy times for me because it's never that easy. So let's change where these things go. You go over there and you come over here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna just say you can. Baby. Get in there. Mama. Don't press it. Break everything else while you're doing that. And then well, I shouldn't have done that, but you know, I don't really pay attention half the time when I'm doing something. Get out. Sorry, Daddy. Like I said, I don't pay attention. Now let me see if I can pay some attention somewhere. Get your eyes on right, girl. Is this going in or what? What's happening? Is that in? It feels like it's getting there. Oh, let me make sure before I get your stupid blood on. There's just so little space for this. Everything likes to get in the way. We compared it. It's comparable. Let's get the bottom one on. How about that? Oh. Are you getting on their bottom one? No, you're not. You better not be the wrong size. Okay. Good Lord. I think I hurt my back. All right. I was thinking, let me first, though, get that hose on. Oh yeah, that would absolutely make my job easier to get that hose on. And then it wasn't coming on, so then I thought, let me get this on first. That didn't do it either. Get on there, you bastard. No, I had considered, hey, why don't I get the temp sensor on. Can you see what I'm doing? Thinking camera. Get that temp sensor on, which was a get off me, terrible idea, apparently. Oh, I feel dumb because I keep having to. Where are you? Where are you? Hey, here you are. Look at this little baby. I'll get you on there. Ha! I did it! Don't get lost. Get in there. And then let's get this one on. Get on that side. Well, I haven't tightened it all the way, you know. I mean, maybe I should. I don't know. Is that what you do? Now, I am pushing on this whole thing in this back side to get this. And why? Why, pray tell, are you doing that when you have old buddy over here to do these things for you? Get on. Oh, you know what? It would make it easier if I had all these fools on. Hey. Okay, so that was a bad idea. I just don't like filming things. Let go. Now, I do want to let you know. I do want to let you know that I had taken. Get up in there. I had taken the coolant, the top for the coolant reservoir off to relieve the pressure of the coolant. And I'll go ahead and say that, and I'll add that in the beginning because I hadn't. Well, whatever. All right, let's get this. See if you're gonna be in the way here for me to tighten this. And you know, these Volkswagens are, their engines are aluminum, you know. So you don't want to, in the old days, I guess, they used to put bolts into the engine. Now it looks like they're just making the bolts installed on the engine. And then we just lightly tighten. You don't want to over tighten because that flange is plastic, and that's not all it'll go. Oh, screw you, don't hit that little windshield. Alright, so son of a mother, I forgot. Now I'll show you something. Where is it? Alright, I'm going to show you something. Alright. So that's the original temp sensor. Right? The original temp sensor. And that's the new temp sensor. Now, they're the same, right? 4 pins. Yeah, I'm looking just to make sure it's, what I'm saying is true. Come on, catch it. going to